Yes, Mr. Venkatraman, you were telling
Yes,
about you are working in a private sector bank for a few years. Then
sir.
you are working as PD, that is probational development officer with LIC. For how
Yes,
many
sir.
years? 2 years. 2 years, no?
Sir, from ICICI, 3 years experience, and in LIC, 2 months, sir. Nearly 3 months completed.
Only 2 months or 3 months. Very good. No
Yes, sir.
problem. Excellent. Now, are you able to sell more policies now? Which
Yes,
type
sir.
of policies are sold more?
Sir, actually, whole life policies are easy to sell, sir, compared to term life. If customer is willingly asking term life, we are not convincing them to another type of policies. We will give them term policies. But majorly, his whole life policy is somewhat they will get maturity benefit and a death benefit up to 100 years of age. So customer is choosing something like that. Also is willing to like endowment plans, sir.
Good. Very good. Now, you manage the question why from ICICI Gap and then your LIC, and from
Yes,
LIC why SBI? That alone you explain to me now.
yes, sir. While in working in ICICI, my father got a medical sickness. So due to I have no chance, I have relieved from the job, and past 1 years, I have to with my father for medical treatment allies, and past October, my father has expired. So once again, I am trying to get a career to come back to career. I applied for many other jobs. So finally, I got selected in LIC. But why I coming to now SBI CBO means I have already experience in banking. So I have to move my career through banking, sir. Well known banking. I have to move my career.
Good, that's correct. Now, what are the achievements made by you in ICICI?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have while I joined in 2019, after 1.5 years, there is no branch manager in my branch. In 2019 July, I have been taken as a branch in charge for up to 10 months without branch manager. There I there I become there I get a incremental book of Jol loan and CASA deposits, sir. Compared to in my region, compared to my succeeding branches, I will increase the book size incremental percentage of the bank book, and in digitalization, sir. While bank is after the corona period, bank is moving to somewhat digitalization. So I move my branch towards digitalization in branch process, like simple customer services, and I got Pan India number one rank for digitalization for that financial year, sir. Also in NPS score, sir. NPS score is a net promoter score. That is how customer is promoting ICICI brand to others. From that NPS score, I have to manage somewhat differently in my bank, sir. In daily transaction, I have contacted the customer. Evening I will contact the customer and collect back the review. What are the queries, what are the difficulties they are facing, I understood, and next time I cleared it, so that the bond has been built up with the branch is somewhat more, and I will get the NPS score of above 80 percentage for continuous 2 years, sir. In
Do
audit
you know
parameters,
what is
sir.
do you know what is meant by adjusted net worth?
um just net worth.
You may not know
Sorry.
that. Even I was not knowing it. I asked today because they have asked in one interview today. That is why I'm
Okay,
asking.
sir.
Now, you are member of
Okay.
which group? Shall I put it in newspaper group?
Yes, sir. I am already in that group, sir.
Yeah, I'm putting it there. You please study about adjusted net worth.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, I have given it adjusted net worth.
Sure, sir.
Good. Next question.
Yes, sir.
In fact, they ask not only adjusted net worth, adjusted tangible net worth. Please take care.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Sure, sir.
please tell me what do you understand by leverage?
Um,
Leverage ratio.
uh, it's a type of
Leverage.
financial ratio, sir. Um, to know the company's debt level, how they are performing like that.
Mhm. A leverage ratio is any one of the several financial measurements that
Okay,
assesses
sir.
the ability of a company to meet its financial obligation. I will show you.
Okay, sir.
I can't show you there. I am now here. I am now in Google.
Okay, sir. I
Yeah.
will make up it, sir.
Now I'm now
Noted.
I'm giving a link for that again
Sure,
in
sir.
our newspaper. Here it is telling a leverage ratio may also be used to measure a company's mix of operating expenses to get an idea how to generate operating income. Common leverage ratios include debt
Okay,
equity
sir.
ratio, equity multiplier, degree of financial leverage, and consumer leverage ratios. Banks have regulatory
Sure.
oversight on the leverage they can hold. Okay, please
Okay, sir.
go through
Understood,
this.
sir.
I have given
Yes, sir.
leverage ratio. Okay,
Yes, sir.
correct,
Yes, sir.
correct. Next question. I am asking all the questions asked in some interview today. Can you tell
Okay,
me
sir.
what is
Thank you.
current ratio? Current ratio?
Current ratio is a current asset minus current liability. It means in for the short term, the company how they are managing their assets and liabilities to generate current assets. Current asset means it's simply less than 1 year. Uh, f- uh, from that current asset, the how much the working capital limit has been set up is used to calculate, sir.
Current assets minus current liability
Minus
illa.
current liability.
Current assets by current liabilities.
Okay, sir. It's actually ratio will be 1.33 above
Hmm,
6 crore segment, sir. Less than 6 crore, the ratio will be 1.15. It's good, sir.
good. Um, how much of advances you know? Loans, what are the loans you have dealt with? Have you processed or only canvassed?
Sir, I have canvassed and also branch level process I have done, sir. Uh, I have processed
Which loans?
gold loan, and home loan, um, car loan, sir, auto
Hmm,
loan, and
hmm.
that all much loans, sir. Two-wheeler loan, like that. Retail loans we have processed, sir.
Can you tell me about how will you proceed for sanctioning a gold loan?
Uh, yes, sir. Sir, from credit part or it's a full process, sir. Process oriented.
The full process. How
Yes, sir.
to,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what are the steps to be taken before sanctioning a gold loan to a party?
Yes, sir. From first of all, the gold has been checked by the appraiser, and how the according to carats, how much carat the allotted gram rate has been prescribed, and how much amount has been given to the customer. And once again, once it confirmed that the gold is been uh, original, and we will move to the process part. We will check the customers KYC, and whether the customer is default in any other loans like that. And then we have moved to the customer application, like collecting KYC data, uh, and how much ornaments he has pledged and how much the value, and apart from that value, 75% amount has been credited. uh, once the once we have filed the online application, there is a double door concept, double checking concept. Once maker has been collected the finish that part, and the checker has to verify that Sbi report has been generated, and Sbi report, KYC, and what are the customer requirements has been generated. Below 15,000, there is no requirement of account open, say, having savings account in the bank. Above 50,000, there must be a savings account. There is no cash payment to the customer above 50,000. It has been credited to the customer's account. The verifier has been checking all the savings account number and what are the credibility in the loan account. He's checked that and giving the final submit, and the loan account has been created. And he also checked that how many accounts, gold accounts, the customer has been holding, and how much portfolio he is having. More than 15 accounts, the customer cannot hold another gold loan account. And more than 1 crore, there has been above 1 crore, there has been no loan has been created. Once the all step has been
Next,
processed, the
no, okay, okay. But then initially you should tell about KYC also.
okay, sir.
Very good. Then please tell me what steps you will take for granting housing loan.
Yes, sir. First of all, we
What
have checked
what
the,
is the
sir.
what is the maximum housing loan proposal you have seen?
Sir, 30 lakhs something, sir.
Only 30 lakhs. Acha, tell me.
Sir, more than 40 50 lakhs means there is a housing loan team, and they will take over the customer for direct to the customer doorstep, sir.
Acha, acha. Very good. Now tell me about Discord housing loan. How
Yes,
did you
sir.
process?
Yes, sir. Once the customer has been arrived for housing loan, um, we will we will ask the what is the requirement to what is the requirement to what are the requirement, how much the area, and how much he's want to build up, what is the amount has been required. So what are details we asked, and we will ask the parent document and patta copy of the particular land, and we will send it to the legal team to clear it, and I will also another copy to the technical team to check the to check the land, and check the land, and one of the side we will process the customer KYC, and whether any other default in the customer holding, whether he is an NRI or a ordinary citizen, we will check it that. And once the legal report is positive and technical report is positive, and we will check the market value of the share, and we will credit it maximum loan amount of 75 percentage. I could not remember that approximate marginal percentage, sir. That percentage we will credit it to
What
customer's
is
account, sir.
kite flying?
Um, no, sir, I did not
Kite, kite,
remember.
kite flying means issuing checks without providing funds or
Okay, sir.
managing. They will put a check here. Correspondingly, they will put another check in another bank like that. Issuing
Oh,
accommodate. A will draw a bill on B, he will accept it, and B will draw a bill on A, they will accept it, and they will create money forcibly that is not existing.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Next question. What are
Yes,
fixed
sir.
assets? Fixed assets.
Uh, Fixed asset is it's like a machinery. Fixed
Hmm.
assets are not like current assets. It's a long term assets in the company, like
Land, building,
machinery, plant,
machinery,
yes, sir.
vehicles.
Tangible
Land,
assets.
land, building, machinery, and vehicles.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Name
Yes, sir. Thank you.
five cabinet ministers, union cabinet ministers.
Yes, sir. Nirmala Saitaraman, Madam, Finance
Hmm.
Minister,
Hmm.
and then Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Agricultural Minister,
Hmm.
and then um,
படிச்சுக்கோங்க ஒரு வாட்டி ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க
okay,
கம்ப்ளீட்டா
sir. Okay,
about
sir.
union ministers, about state ministers, Tamil Nadu ministers also, ministers
Okay,
and
sir.
cabinet. Please revise it. Next question.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
What is CD ratio?
Um, I studied
What
about
is
that, sir. Deposit ratio, and
what is
I
CD
forgot
ratio?
it.
CD ratio means credit deposit ratio.
Yes, sir. I
Credit
forgot
means,
it, sir.
yeah. And you see, our state bank's credit is now how much? 46 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And deposit advance is how much? 39 or so. 39 divided by 46. They have given roughly,
Yes, sir. I know SBI CD ratio, sir. He is kept at 68.3 percentage, sir. SBI CD ratio.
is it so? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
SBI's? Um, I have posted a figure now. Totally
Yes,
86
sir.
lakhs, 49 and 30, sorry, 46 and um, totally 86, 49. So balance how much? 86,
Sir,
36, 37.
approximately how much? Yes, sir.
What?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 37.
Advance 37
One
lakh.
minute. Yeah, 37 divided by 46 comes to somewhere around 80%. Somewhere
Oh,
around 80%. That is
sir.
correct. Good. Now, can you tell me what is an operating cycle in the case of manufacturing companies?
Sir, a manufacturing cycle, operating cycle is the raw material where he procure how many days it takes, and he manufacturing the raw material how many days it will take, and he hold up the product for certain days, and he will deliver the product, and it will movement the movement will take some more days. If we take all these as approximately 60 days, that 60 days divided by 360 means
No, no,
um
wrong, wrong.
somewhat.
See, you should say operating cycle is the time that takes
Okay,
from
sir.
the procurement of raw material
Okay,
and
sir.
realization of the sale proceeds.
Okay, sir.
No, no, no. For operating cycle will be same. 1 minute. Let me see. I should not misguide you. Let
Okay,
me
sir.
see. In India, operating cycle in manufacturing business. Mhm. That is from the time in the case of trading means it is easy to explain. That is buying
Yes, sir. Yes,
and
sir.
then it is selling and realization of cash.
Yes, sir.
Realization like that. That is
Okay,
operating
sir.
cycle. And
Okay,
if
sir.
the number of days is less, you will have more cycles in a year. That is
Yes,
why
sir.
you were telling about 365 days.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Can you tell me what are the life insurance products of SBI?
Um, In term life, Sambhurna Sives like that, sir. And
This question
IC.
they have asked yesterday only. SBI life
Okay, sir.
insurance, and you are a
I will go through it, sir.
insurance man. Definitely, they will ask.
Okay, sir.
Definitely, they will ask you.
Okay, sir. I will go
SBI
through it,
is
sir.
SBI Life Company. Just a minute. This is what is coming. Products, individual products. Um, they have got life insurance plans. SBI Life, E Shield Next, SBI Life Saral
That is
Jeevan
perfect,
Bima,
sir.
SBI Life Sampurna Cancer Suraksha, Arogya
Okay, sir.
Shield, SBI
Okay,
Smart Shield. These are all protection plans.
okay,
Saving
sir.
plans, you should divide that and speak. I suggest
Okay,
you go through SBI saving plans, SBI Life Smart Platina Plus, Smart
okay, sir.
Platina Assure, Lifetime
Okay,
Saver. So I will
okay.
give the link in WhatsApp group. You
Thank you, sir.
please go through that again thoroughly.
Sure, sir.
Because
Sure, sir.
they have asked a person who is not connected with insurance also.
Oh, okay, sir.
So they can definitely, I expect them to ask questions about not only this much, they will ask so many details. Who is the chairman of SBI Life? And then what are the different policies they are issued? In what way are they better than LIC or not? Something like that they will ask.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So get ready for that.
Sure, sir.
Now you are in Tamil Nadu.
Yes, sir.
Name, I already told you, name the ministers, you must go through that. How many
Okay,
districts are
sir.
there in Tamil Nadu?
Nearly 30, sir.
Totally wrong. 38.
Okay, sir.
Basic thing. Please revise them also.
Sure,
So
sir.
in your ADO interview, what are the questions they asked?
That time I have past experience in ICICI, sir. So we'll ask that how they are selling insurance and what are the insurance products in ICICI. Like that they go through, sir.
Oh, they did not ask about general knowledge.
No, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Best wishes. And I wish you go with a confidence. Try
Yes,
to
sir.
score good marks in the interview.
Sure,
Okay.
sir. With your guidance, I
Best
will go through, sir.
best wishes. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
I am stopping